Hi, Q Study is education consultancy services where we provide free counseling services for students around the world. Located in Malaysia with 5 other offices. One of them is in Maldives. We have in Uzbekistan, India, Indonesia, in Oman, and this is one of the offices that we have. We help students to get their pathway application processes to universities which is recognized by the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. Once in a year, we do 3 times a year. So this is the 5th year. But this round, we just came this year in January, we came to Malay. But this time in June, we are covering Kurdu Fushe, I hope I pronounced it correctly, Formula, Malay, and now we are in Addu city. So we bring universities, reputable universities from Malaysia to join the exhibition and to introduce to the students about the quality of it. Q Study, the Q, is actually we recommend quality universities. So we represent over 40 universities in Malaysia. We do not send students on the wrong course to wrong pathway. So this is one of the example where you see the university counselors will be speaking to the student and we will follow up and apply all the applications and all that. Not only that, our main important thing about Q Study is after these students speak to the university counselors, what we do is we will take the application, we process up to until they arrive into Malaysia airport. We will pick them up and we will take care of them for the 3 years of duration. No other people in Maldives or any part of the world is doing this because every agent or every education consultancy only send the students and finish their job up to airport. But we are very unique where we take care about their accommodation, we take care about their welfare, their health, their medical and everything. So this is the only uniqueness of Q Study where right now we are taking care of more than 200 Maldivian students in Malaysia. APU, Asia Pacific University, HELP University, we have Taylor's University. These are the main universities that we have the large number of Maldivian students. So we are proud to be one of them to produce the numbers of students to them. And the most important is we take care of them like a daddy and mama for them. From day to day, you know, all the issues and all the caring and welfare of the students. How can students approach Q Study? Because we represent so many universities and all that. So the moment they speak to a counselor from the university, after that we will know their students' needs and all that. What we will do is we will take their interest. Our counselors in Malay will be contacting the students and getting information about the students and collecting the document from the students and submit to the university. So the students no need to contact the university directly. Everything is done for them. We do not charge a single cent for them. From them. So it's free of charge. And on top of that, Q Study give free air ticket or 1,000 ringgit, which is $250 cashback when they apply through Q Study. So they get everything sorted out. They only need to book the flight ticket before they arrive. So it's example like this. When they arrive here, they speak to the university and they proceed with the application with Q Study. How many times I've been to Maldives? Maldives is always in my heart. I've been to Maldives around 6-7 years ago until today. Only during the pandemic was a short break. We took the world have shut down the borders. So I've been to Maldives is more than 20 over times. I've been to Addu. This is my 5th time to Addu, and this time I'm very fortunate. And our event in Kurdu Fushe was supported by the mayor and the deputy mayor, Mr. Akhtar and Mr. Ali. And yesterday we met the deputy mayor of Formula. So Addu here, we always have a good support from Addu schools like Addu high schools and all that. So we are always in Maldives because we want to provide a quality education to the students. These are the students, so we make their dreams come true. And we always care for the students with the most affordable fees. We give the best service to them. We make the parents have no worries. And we have very friendly university counselors. Okay, they are ready to help and they always work with Q Study, and this is one of the leading university. They have their own hospital, they have their own campus, and their campus is about 100,000 square meter big size, you know. So we work very closely with most of the top universities. You name it, we have it.
Hi, I'm Trilly from HELP Universities. HELP Universities is a private university located in Kuala Lumpur. We specialize in offering the social science program business. We are very well known for psychology business, and students have the options to study 3 years program in Malaysia, so credit transfer to Australia, UK, US, Canada, or you can study 3 years in Malaysia and get a UK degree. We work closely with Q Study. Q Study is our best partners in Maldives that offer a wide range of student support and assisting students to come to Malaysia to study. So to contact Q Study, kindly call 990-2788. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Management and Science University. Now we are located at Addu, Maldives, the most transforming life and enriching future. And now we are with Q Study. For those that interest for our program here, so you can contact our representative here in Addu. Let me share you the number 99022788. Please fast and come here to get the opportunity.
अगर मैं मेरे मिकोलो में मालूमात खुद ही नम्बी देनी हम मलेशिया में होगा तो अवेलेबल एक कोर्स तो होगे मालूमात है तो दिन मित्रों हम आलोगना के एहन कलीग्स मित भी हम यूनिवर्सिटी तक ए बेफलो में होगा तो ऑफर पूरा प्रोग्राम्स तक स्कॉलरशिप्स तक एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीजर हमें हुई हाँ हम खुद दिन वारा गातो हाँ बोले इंगे तो बिफिया का बिबारे वाले दिया यूनिवर्सिटी इंगे तो एक तरह हम मलेशिया के पब्लिक आदि प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी के
Hello, our Maldivian students. This is Ala from Mahsa University. We are in Addu City today. Our university, Mahsa University, it's medical and science subjects, allied health as well. And we have so many courses like engineering, business, and other courses. So we are in Addu today and participating in Q Study Education to study in Malaysia. Q Study is our representative here. Please, if you have any inquiries or you would like to study in Malaysia, contact them on 9902788. Thank you very much.
Looking for a postgraduate study? Here we are, UiTM in Malaysia. If you would like to further your study at postgraduate level, please come and join us. We have over 200 programs to offer. And do not forget to contact Q Study at the number 9902788. Remember the number 9902788. Q Study will assist you. You don't have to worry about how to apply. You don't have to worry about the procedure and documentation. Q Study is there to help you. See you.
Hello, my name is Megat from the National University of Malaysia, University Kebangsaan Malaysia. And we are here in Maldives to recruit all the students that are interested to join us for the upcoming intake. We have a lot of undergraduate programs and postgraduate programs to offer all the Maldivian students. And if you need any help to apply to our university, do contact Q Study as our local representative. All the best for your application.
Me Q studying in some Kogembava Education Expo. Then me expo meti rajya ge hataru city egga Kuludu Fushi formula addu adi mahalega. Then me feages hama diha university akun eba baariwe. City University, Agumanga University offer kore design programs, fashion design programs, graphics design programs, adi engineering, computing programs, adi business and hospitality programs. Malega tibegen koranje horiha kamegge sehitiriwan adi ekologos university ahame gendi umugaves adi ege itro hama university life ka dimawa ahem kod kantatawge sehiwede. The also addu ka mifya baba addu media kan information eta algon ham fahakollam benwe algon me mege dihahar kore me university ka kiyewe gawara ba or addu kudi university kiyewe neta then ham midwas me baguttan kole madun ulnakas algon me university ga ham waram ba or addu kudi kodi ulun hem den algonda eki ga ham ulun ba आज हम कोरिया में तनुगे Q study के फरातुम ba or fursat ta fahi ko open kollan